Welcome to QMath. This lesson is ratio tables. What will this video cover? We're going to learn what ratio tables are, how to check for ratio tables, how to find missing values in ratio tables, and how to use ratio tables to solve other problems. So, what is a ratio table? A ratio table is a table of values in which every set of values is equivalent to every other set of values. And by set of values, we mean the ratio between x and y. So the x to y ratios we have in this table are 1 to 3, 2 to 6, 3 to 9, and 4 to 12. And 1 to 3 is equal to 2 to 6, which is equal to 3 to 9, which is equal to 4 to 12. And so all of our x to y ratios are equal in this table, and that's why this is a ratio table. How do we check for ratio tables? So we divide y by x to see what we have to multiply x by to get to y. And if every single one is the same number as it is in this ratio table, every single one is 3, we have to multiply any x value by 3 to get to y. Then we have a ratio table. But in this one, we have to multiply this first value by 1, the second value by 4, and these other two values by 3. And since we had to multiply by a different number every time, we know that this is not a ratio table. So how do we fill out ratio tables? As you can see in this ratio table here, every y column value is missing except for this 12. And as you recall, this number has to be the same for every other value. So all we have to do is figure out this number by dividing y by x, and we get 4 because 12 divided by 3 is 4, and we use this value for every single one. So we had to multiply every single x value by 4 to get the y values. So we can see here 1 times 4 is equal to 4, 2 times 4 is equal to 8, and 4 times 4 is equal to 16. And that's how we get all the missing values. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and answer the question. Do you have your answer? We're going to go over it now. So the value that we're given is 20 right here. And once again, we multiply the y value by the x value. 20 divided by 2 is equal to 10. So that means that we have to multiply every single x value by 10, and 1 times 10 is equal to 10, 3 times 10 is equal to 30, and 4 times 10 is equal to 40. And now our ratio table is completely filled out. So we can also use ratio tables to solve problems. Let's say you are buying pencil packs for school, and every pack contains 12 pencils. So how many pencils are in 5 packs of pencils? So we know that for one pack, we're going to buy 12 pencils. So we can set packs and pencils as our two variables. And for 5 packs, we're not sure how many pencils we need yet. So what we do, we divide the pencils by the packs. So we have 12 divided by 1, which is equal to 12. So all we have to do now is multiply our 5 packs times 12, and we know we're going to have 60 pencils in 5 packs. Your turn. Pause the video and answer the question. Do you have your answer yet? We're going to go over it now. So we use the same strategy. We have bottles on the left side and fluid ounces on the other side. We have one bottle is 8 fluid ounces, so we divide 8 by 1, and we get 8. So all we have to do is multiply this 11 by 8 because we have 11 bottles and we're asked to find our fluid ounces in 11 bottles by 8, and then we have 88 fluid ounces in 11 bottles. That concludes this video. I hope you learned something.